Hello, I am Jay and I am going to speak about love marriage.
Hello, I am Narayan. I am going to speak about love marriage.
Hello, I am Rahul. I will speak about arranged marriage.
Hi, I am Sagar. I will speak about arranged marriage.
Hi, I am Manoj. I will speak about arranged marriage. Yes. Uh, Arranged marriage is much better than love marriage because arranged marriage not break the rules of social barriers like caste, creed, and religion. And love marriage. Sometimes love marriage want to break this rule because suppose you love with a Muslim girl and you are Hindu, then your father did not agree with you because she is Muslim and you is Hindu.
In our India, this type of fight is disturb our life. Okay, fight of caste like Hindu Muslim fight, and they say Maka cannot marriage with Hindu. What is this? It is India, not a country of Muslim and Hindu.
But suppose I say suppose you love with Muslim girl, right?
Yes.
And you are Hindu. You tell your father that I love with this girl. Your father said, but she is Muslim, so your father don't understand you.
It means you will have to do marriage without permission of your parents.
You say your
That
father,
will be against the rules and regulation of our and tradition of our country. That will not be beneficial for the life of that couple in future.
First of all, you favor of arranged marriage.
Yeah.
So your father choice a girl for you. So you don't choice for her. So what will you do this time?
Nowadays, boys are also go for receiving
I will
girls.
struggle before marriage. If she will be
But she is not
she will
like
be
you.
educated and she will be pretty, then I will tell my father I like that girl and I will marry with her.
But she is not educated.
Huh?
But she is not educated.
That is separate thing. She is beautiful. That is sufficient.
But she is not educated. Then she is very
That is not
very
sufficient. And I will marry with that girl who is pretty, and my father and my parents also like her, and she is able to work which is applicable in home. I like that girl very much.
you know you not educated. So you will do arranged marriage. I tell you will not educated.
Yeah.
Then you will do arranged marriage because you think I am no educated. Any girl is not like me, and because I am not educated. I am not very not educated. Any girls like me, and my father had a lots of money. My father will marry. My father will marry very high. So you this time you have a do arranged marriage because you have not lots of money and not home and not car and not anything. So this time you have a but because you have this time but you have a educated and you love a girl and you love a girl and very educated and you have a lots of money, bank, car. This time you have love marriage.
If your parents is not satisfied with you, then what you will do? You will
Why?
have to do marriage without the permission your parents.
No.
your father don't agree with you, then you both have your girlfriend and you three ways. Firstly, you ran away from your house and do marriage, and secondly, you agree with your parents, and third,
You go to society.
yeah, you do society.
But I will not do that. Go to society.
But in love marriage, mostly cases are that their religion is not matched.
First of all, my father satisfied for me and my family satisfied for me. Then I do love marriage.
But from which culture you belongs to Hindu culture. And
Yeah, I belong to Hindu.
I hope your father never appreciate you that you will do arranged marriage, and he will never.
But I educated father understand what is my son
He will never give you permission to that girl who is not of your caste and your religion. and she belongs to very gangster family.
I will understand the father. This is the girl is very beautiful and she.
But your father said this is Muslim. So,
But I will not. I will never choose Muslim girl.
Yes.
what?
Suppose
I don't
Because I have a.
suppose you love a girl very, you will love a girl very much. Then you will also do marriage with his love. Then after sometimes she will hurt your parents. She will not respect your parents. They always beat your sisters. So after and what will you do?
But
First of all, this kind of activities, who is girl done? Because this is not educated girl. Educated girl is not this kind of activities do. Because he understand what is the good and what is the bad.
Every educated girls do this type of.
No, you will have a feeling wrong because every educated girl understand is very minded. What is the marriage and what is
So
the.
you are doing, if you are doing a arranged marriage, then your relationers will not appreciate you. They always see you in a, they never want to make relationship with you. They never want to that our boys will be married with in their family. They are not. They think they thought that they are very indisciplined persons and they never obey their parents. So we don't want to marry with our girl in their family.
First of all, my father understand, my mother understand, my family understand. Then I do love marriage.
But mostly cases not parents will understand.
Every parents understand.
No, not,
this is the love marriage is converted to arranged marriage. This is the do everything is for this like that arranged marriage.
But parents will see another girls for you.
In arranged marriage, the firstly
It is very difficult that both family members are satisfied.
In arranged marriage-
It is very difficult, and so it is very difficult that there may be arranged marriage may be possible with the permission of the parents of both couple.
Because I don't have impossible to.
So arranged marriage is impossible.
Because our parents don't know you will choice those girls his behavior, what will his behavior, what will her characters. Father was don't know. So
I will don't agree. I will tell you my father is a behavior is very nice and I will all things I will tell my father.
When father was not believe you, then what will you do?
No, my father believe me.
Firstly, father asks.
We are not discussing about you and your father. We are discussing which is more impressive, which is more successful, love marriage or arranged marriage for whole world, for all people. You are little bit part of the population of India. And we are discussing about whole world.
And in arranged marriage, the father of son said that the father of daughter is your daughter come with 2 grams of gold in my house, and they said that they come with a bike. Yes, it is arranged marriage. Yes, it is.
But in some cases, boys side don't get dowry because girls dream that father give me this thing, car, whatever.
You saying you
is not
Arranged marriage, rich people not do arranged marriage because you see, this is the rich poor girl is not like me. Because is a Jewish people and this is the not topic.
But our father choose right girl. They go their house.
Because this is their choice for girl. He not like you.
They choose educated girl. That his behavior is good or not.
In arranged marriage,
He look beautiful or not. He is educated or not. Then he do marriage. They don't get their house and do marriage.
Any person love any girl for? Any person love any girl and his father also understand. So this he do a love marriage.
But
father will not agree. So what do?
So you don't do marriage.
You don't do marriage.
No.
You will not do a marriage in your
You
life.
will become pastor.
Yes.
It means you will be obeyed.
First of all, his name
Pass your time like
is
Yes.
first of all,
so what
And
is
Haridwar.
first of all, his name is Narayan.
Yes. अच्छा, you listen a story of Laila Majnu.
No.
He loves very much. Then after he loves, what will result?
What is the result of
all
their
people
love?
all people beat him by stones. In
But-
Laila Majnu, and he will die. She will both will die.
Nobody appreciate
But
that.
you love marriage, you will die. So don't call your name in future. But Laila Majnu both love very much. So I call his name.
Your name is not recorded in Guinness Book of World Record. Okay. You
So,
do not-
arranged marriage is better than
Arranged
better.
marriage is not also rated in name is.
But arranged marriage is
Indian culture, arranged marriage is better than love marriage.
No.
Western culture, in Western
In
culture,
past
love marriage is
time-
good.
In past
Love
time,
marriage-
but in future, all people do love marriage.
love marriage is spoiled our family reputation.
But love marriage
No.
cannot be
Yes.
successful.
But arranged marriage is not
I
very
am
successful
giving-
because love marriage
Love marriage
also
cannot
are
be
successful.
I am
I've seen
giving
mostly cases.
I am giving you one example.
Okay.
You see welcome film. Yes, the Paris Rawal go the house of a girl, and the girl make a very simple and they do worship of God. The Paris Rawal says, no, it is not of my caste,
Yeah.
and this is not modern, and only this is the time the girls. The girls come in their fashion dress.
This type of things only do in film.
No,
Okay.
it is-
No, it may be possible in love marriage also.
No.
You meet a girl in college, you never go their home because their parents did not will not give permission to
You fear
come
that-
our home. You don't know what is doing in life. She may be afraid of the girl.
I
You don't know.
That's
So that will be result
First of all,
of
every educated student and any educated person, he first of all, when he is not successful in our life, then he will not do marriage.
Yes.
Because he understand, he will be successful in our life. He is very good person. He will do marriage and he do any marriage, arranged marriage or love marriage.
Education is not only there in this matter. You do love marriage, so you terrorist also, you are businessman. In love marriage, this type of things are not come. You are in love.
Many things are coming in arranged marriage and love arranged marriage. Because arranged marriage is a saying, what is the business, what is your father business, what is who are you?
You are saying
who are you?
yes, that is
This
important.
love marriage is not this.
You are repeated, educated. Educated is not come in love marriage, but in arranged marriage come because they ask you are educated or not. Then they do
If you
marriage.
are doing
Love marriage not.
You are doing arranged marriage.
I am not educated, so
Yes, so what will you do this time? You are not educated and you are not and young.
Thank you very much. Today your group discussion was very good. It was better than before, and I think this topic is little difficult according to your age. But after all, you have chosen this topic and you spoke and you tried to speak better. Some cross questions were also done, and you did cross question with each other very well. In fact, Narayan spoke much in this group discussion. Jay and all of you tried to speak better today, but there is a problem in grammar because simple present tense you are using very wrong. Sometimes you told that the girl come, that girl comes would come there. So pronunciation is also the matter, and as well as you would have to learn tenses again because whenever you speak, grammatical portion should be quite correct. It will give more impact. I am very happy that you started speaking nowadays better, and you should try to make it best. But best would be there when you would try to learn tenses again. Next topic would be more better than this. Next topic would be better than this. I hope so. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Bye bye.
sir.